Guys, you ever have that plug toilet and you just can't unplug it? Well, check this out. It's an auger. You can buy them at Home Depot, Lowe's for under 50 bucks. I'm gonna show you how to use it. First things first, you wanna make sure you don't scratch the toilet. So this plastic coating is to prevent that. So first thing you wanna do is, you wanna insert the auger carefully into the hole and then push back. And then you'll see this handle drop. Once I feel tension there, I want to start clockwise with the handle. And you'll see the handle drop. There it goes. It's going to drop one more time. Yep. So once this handle and this handle meet, I know I have 4 feet of cable. It's past the trap. So if there's a blockage there, I want to throw it. Second thing, you want to pull auger out so you don't scratch the toilet. Shake it, and you're good to go. Zach. Without a mechanical, flush free.